Patrick.
Good morning!
Me, SpongeBob.
Hey guys, how are you doing? So today we're looking at SpongeBob SquarePants' new movie. From a Christian perspective, you guys gotta be careful. The homosexuality act, and this is nowhere near PG. As Christian parents, LBGT. Before we go into the video, just a short clip, and of course I'm banning this, and I'm telling you out there, I can't tell you what to do, but I encourage you, don't let your children watch this, not even you in your home. I know children are impressionable. They learn values, behavior, and beliefs through repetition. As we can look to Psalm 101 in verse 3 says, I will set no wicked thing before mine eyes. If that implies to us as adults, how much more our children? Entertainment shapes imagination, okay? And of course, imagination shapes character. We must ask, does this glorify God? Does this teach love, truth, humility, and obedience? Or does it normalize sin and mock righteousness? So guard your children's eyes and ears, their portals. What enters the mind eventually settles into the heart. As believers, we are called to raise godly seeds in our ungodly world. Choose wisely. Souls are at stake. God loves you. Let's walk.
Ahoy!
12 heroes question, 11 pirates laughing, 10 sirens singing, 9 nice and spicy.
The baddest, the top of the list I am. And all my pros, they came fresh out of clamp. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Don't make me call security.
8 weights are lifting, 7 butts are slapping, 6 friends are calling,
Hello?
5 flaming rings. 4 sandy cheeks,
Howdy, SpongeBob.
3 board sales, 2 judgy teens,
Ew. Nice ride.
Losers.
and a brand new SpongeBob movie.
SpongeBob movie.